Welcome back, little scientists. In our last episode, we took a closer look at surgical masks. We tried to study the properties and study the materials that these masks are made from. Did you end up cut up your mask and check out the different layers and the materials that is inside? A few weeks ago in Hong Kong, there was a shortage of mask supply due to the epidemic. It was hard for everyone to buy these masks, so some people, they thought of some alternatives. They tried to design masks and using other materials. Do you remember the name of the fabric that people used to make these masks? Polypropylene. Polypropylene. It's a kind of plastic made from oil. It's a man-made fabric. Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Does it absorb water?
Yeah.
What materials can you think of to substitute the polypropylene fabric? Well, there are 3 layers here. Maybe we can get 3 different sheets of material? Cloth, paper towel, tissue paper? What do you think? The University of Hong Kong Shenzhen Hospital published a video a few weeks ago teaching people how to make homemade masks. The homemade mask is made from kitchen towel and tissue paper.
What?
Amazing, eh? And these homemade masks, it is said that it can do 90% of filtering function of surgical mask. Isn't that cool? And the materials that are needed can be easily found at home. So here are the materials. You need 2 sheets of kitchen paper towel, 1 sheet of tissue paper with good quality, rubber band, a hole puncher, and some masking tape. You also need some plastic coated wire. And as for tools, you need a pair of scissors. The idea is to use the 2 pieces of kitchen paper towel and the tissue paper, forming layers of filter. Now you will put the kitchen paper towel, stacking them on top of one another. Before stacking, you need to turn one of the sheet, rotating it around a 90-degree angle so that those patterns on the paper towel will not overlap. By doing this, you're having a better filtering function because those moisture or droplets will not pass through those gaps easily. Then put your tissue paper on top and then it forms a stack. Cut this paper stack in half. Then tape both sides with masking tape. Punch 2 holes on each side through the masking tape. On the side of the kitchen paper towel, you can tape your plastic coated wire. If you don't have these plastic coated wire, don't worry. There is another way to go around it. But just keep going. You can put the rubber bands around those holes and then make loops. Tie them through the holes. And voila, here comes your mask. With the kitchen paper towel facing outwards and then your tissue paper on your face. What do you think about this homemade mask, boys and girls? Do you think it's as good as your surgical mask? What kind of problem did you notice? You might think these kitchen paper towel might absorb lots of water, but it may not be waterproof. What can we do? There is actually a way to go around with it to do a better protection. Do you think you can make another layer to protect the kitchen paper from getting wet? Well, there is another smart way with the use of a pair of glasses. Well, you need some binder clips, a clear plastic folder, and a pair of glasses. You cut the clear, transparent plastic folder in half first, and then you clip it on the glasses. You just made yourself a shield. It protects the kitchen paper towel from getting wet as well, so the droplets in the air will not make it wet. What do you think? Would you like to try that at home today? Stay curious and keep exploring the world. You may become an expert on materials. And you know what? One day, you might be able to make something that changes the world, or even save the world. In our next episode, we'll be doing some experiments with colors. I asked your mommy and daddy to buy some food coloring. Get them ready. And until next time, see you soon. Little scientists, there are lots of materials you can use to make your mask. Have fun today to make your own homemade mask.
Stay safe!